Hello everyone! Today we're going to explore how to utilize a tiered affiliate commission in Afflr. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and open the Afflr affiliate marketing app. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Program section and click on the Add Program button. Next, you can choose from existing programs or create one from scratch. For this demonstration, let's go with the Give 10%, Get 10% program option and proceed by clicking on the Create Program button. After you're redirected to the Update Program page, scroll down a little to find the Simple Affiliate Commission section. Here, you'll see two options, Simple and Tiered. Click on the Tiered option. Now we're in the Tiered Affiliate Commission settings. You can establish a tiered commission structure that rewards affiliates based on their performance. Under Commission Type, choose between a percentage or a fixed commission. I'll select Percentage. Then pick the tier type from options like the Total Referral Sale Amount. Alternatively, you could choose Total Referral Sale Count or the total number of referrals. I'll stick with the Total Referral Sale Amount. Now, in the Tier section, you can define tiers, such as when the minimum amount is 1. Here, you'll set the affiliate to receive a 10% commission, though this can be customized as per your needs. Let's reset it, and then click on Add Tier to introduce a new tier. For instance, if the minimum amount is 1 and the maximum is 99, the affiliate will earn a 10% commission. For the next tier, starting at 100, you could set it so the affiliate earns a 20% commission. You can continue adding tiers like this by simply clicking Add Tier. Just enter the minimum total amount and the corresponding commission percentage. To remove a tier, simply click on the Delete icon. There's also an option to enable recurring commissions by checking this box. It gives you two choices, Lifetime Commission or Recurring Commission. Under the Lifetime option, when a customer uses a referral code and has previously bought through an affiliate, that affiliate will receive recurring commissions for future purchases of the customer. With Recurring Commission, when a customer uses a referral code and has previously bought through an affiliate, that affiliate will receive recurring commissions for the mentioned number of purchases. Adjust this setting as per your requirements. Feel free to go ahead and set up your program. If you'd like more details on setting up a program in Afflr, be sure to check the video in the description box below. This is how you can make use of the tiered affiliate commission setting in Afflr. Once everything is set, simply hit the Save Program button. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching.